yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Hey y'all, so y'all, let me tell you, we're in the bathroom. Clearly, we're in my bathroom, right? Lighting is horrible. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I just got these new, like, little nifty, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. But I just got these two new, like, I got a suction cup that is holding up my camera right now. And then I've got this, you see that little arm thing right here? And I got these specifically for the bathroom so that I can stop doing all of my hair videos in the room. And I'm so excited about it. Anyways, we in the bathroom, okay? And I wanted to show you guys, I got some new clip-ins from Amazon. These are seamless clip-ins, y'all. They are body weight. I think they're in 24 inches, I believe. I didn't get a kinky, straight, none of that kind of stuff, although I almost did. I'm tempted to, and I probably might, because I love the qualities of these so far. I haven't even installed them, but yeah, I want to go ahead and install these for y'all since my hair is actually straight. It's not gonna take me any time to do so. I have washed them, y'all. I used the Adore hair color. It's my first time using that, super easy. And I colored them black as well. And let me tell y'all, I looked for months to find a good company that does seamless clip-ins. And if y'all don't know what seamless are, let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up of how it looked right out the box and a close-up of the actual clip. This right here, y'all see this little like plasticky kind of part, that shiny part? Y'all see how thin that, y'all, this is like paper thin. I am so excited. Ew, what is this on my finger? Oh, I think that's mascara. I'm a hush right now. I'm gonna install them and we'll just see what they look like. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna make this as simple as possible and as quick as possible because we're just installing clip-ins. Number one, if you have fine hair like I do, these seamless are going to be right up your alley. They're a lot more concealed than regular clip-ins, and you know, if you have fine hair, you can't do like heavy braids or clip-ins or whatever on your hair because hair is already fine. Also, if it's fine and it's super thin, like the front of my hair is right here. So I'm just going in, I parted out my leave out right in the front. I'm doing the middle part, and it's just a trick that I use. I'm doing as little leave out as possible. So I just held a track right up to make sure it would not show through. So make sure you do that before you start to clip all of your clip-ins down. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit around the perimeter on both sides, twist those down, braid it down, get them out the way, and then I'm gonna go in and braid the rest of my hair like so. And then I just pin my braids up. Leave as much or as little hair out as you want, you guys. I just did as little as possible so I can see the full effect of both sets of clip-ins. And then here, y'all, just gonna go in and measure out each clip and install them in my hair. This is very self-explanatory, very easy to do, doesn't take a lot of time. The clips on here are also really good too. I didn't have any that came broken or nothing like that. The hair is nice and full from root to tip as well. And it took me no time to install these bad boys. So y'all, keep in mind, this was the first day I installed these. I've worn them all weekend long. So this is what I would do differently. So right here, I'm doing a longer track. And the thing with these versus like regular old school clip-ins, you really don't have much like room to turn them, twist them, that kind of thing because of the, I guess the plastic piece, whatever you want to call it, that connects them all together. So I went on ahead and took that first track out right at the top. Because it was not laying flat in the back of my head. It was laying nice and flush right at the, what do you call it? Oh my gosh, I'm losing my train of thought. Right at the part, it was laying nice and flat, but I went on ahead and just put a smaller piece in. I should have, at this point, just used these small pieces right at the part, but I didn't. I did that today and it came out much better. So you get these smaller pieces, like 1-clip pieces. Make sure you just use those wherever you part your hair, and that will just make everything lay much flatter, and yeah, you won't have any tracks sticking up. So with the back of my hair, 2 bundles of this hair was enough to kind of make it full. But honestly, y'all, I have a bigger head. I say that all the time because it's true. And I need 3 bundles of these clip-ins for it to be full. So you can definitely see like the top part of a track in the back of my hair. And also, it just was not as full as I wanted it to be. Only in the back. So yeah, so definitely adding another bundle is necessary for me. And then y'all, I'm sparing y'all y'all know I can't curl my hair worth crap. It is the one thing I struggle the absolute most with. I cannot use a curling iron. I need to get one of those like automatic rotating ones because I just suck at this. So I just didn't want the hair super flat. I wanted to have a little bit of body, a little bit of curl for some volume. Because I needed another bundle. And then I'm just using my Tresemme. It's the Fine Hairspray. I really like this hairspray. FYI, go pick it up at Target, Walmart, wherever. It says Ultra Fine Mist or Ultra Fine. It's something like that. It's a really light hold. Like, it's perfect for this texture for fine hair. I just, yeah, loved it. And I don't know, y'all. I just did what I could. Clearly, y'all see my vibe. You see what's going on. I was so hot at this point. I just went on ahead and did my edges off camera and tied my hair down. So this is what I'm looking like, you guys. And that was basically it for styling this. And I think it came out super cute. While I was laying my edges, I just pulled the hair back into like a really big Bantu knot. Just twisted it up as tight as I could to preserve the curl. And it ended up coming out exactly how I wanted, just a slight wave to it. I am loving it. Loving the color as well. Love the black and not like that dark brownish color. So yeah, you guys, make sure you check the description box. I will link these exact ones in the description. They will be right there. And also the kinky straight ones that I'm going to pick up, which you'll see me talk about in a second. I'm going to link those too. Okay, so this is the final look. Y'all, I am very happy with the hair. The only thing I'm gonna say is that I need another pack. I need another pack of hair. Like I showed you guys, the back of my head is super flat. It's almost too flat, and I'm pretty sure if the wind blew, you can see my braids. I'm probably gonna order another pack of Body Wave, but I'm also gonna probably do 2 of the kinky straights, just to see how they are, because I have a feeling they're gonna be just as good. Anyways, other than that, y'all, I'm very happy with the outcome. This took no time. Y'all, I am just committed this year, more like school year, to just be like a little bit more put together when it comes to stuff for Isaiah stuff, get him at the bus stop, even with just like everyday things, you guys, like just running errands, grocery store runs, Target runs, just car washes, whatever. I just want to be a little bit more put together. And that's the reason why I got these clip-ins. I wanted something easy that was not a wig. Y'all, I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. And I have been saying this for years to not do this. You could sleep in these and you probably would not feel anything. That is how flat they are. I am so freaking shocked. Y'all, that is flat. Like, look at that. That is, I'm glad I dyed them black too. Y'all, I just like the overall look. Whenever I purchase the kinky straight, I'll come back and give you guys a tutorial as well, or I'll show you guys how they look. So depending on the length that you get, it may or may not come with a coupon. My length that I got came with like a 30% off coupon or 20%, something like that. But not every length did. So make sure you choose your length, like 22 inches, and make sure it says seamless on it. And then make sure you check the coupon box to make sure you are getting, you know, the discount. Oop. Anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff down at the bottom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not already, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name.